Hey there, fellow foodies! Are you looking to shed some extra pounds and get in shape? Well, today is your lucky day. In this video, we're going to show you a proven meal plan that will help you lose weight faster than a cat chasing a mouse. Before we start, please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get notifications. Losing weight can be a real struggle. But fear not. With this meal plan, you'll be on your way to a leaner, healthier you in no time. So, let's get cooking. First up, we have some delicious, nutrient-packed veggies. We all know how important it is to eat our greens, but did you know that they can also help you lose weight? Carrots, for example, are low in calories and high in fiber, which means they'll keep you feeling full for longer. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function properly. And don't forget about salads. They're a great way to get your daily dose of veggies, and they're super easy to make. Just throw together some lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and whatever other veggies you like, and voila! A tasty, healthy meal that will keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Next up, we have some protein. Chicken is a great choice because it's low in fat and high in protein, which will help you feel full and satisfied for longer. Plus, it's versatile and can be cooked in a variety of ways, so you'll never get bored with it. And last but not least, we have some delicious smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to get your daily dose of fruits and veggies, and they're also a fantastic way to sneak in some protein and healthy fats. Plus, they're quick and easy to make, which is perfect for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door. Now, keep in mind that losing weight isn't just about what you eat. Exercise is also an important factor. So, be sure to incorporate some physical activity into your daily routine. Yoga, for example, is a great way to increase your flexibility and strength while also reducing stress and anxiety. And the best part? You can do it right in the comfort of your own home. If you're looking for something a little more intense, try jumping rope. It's a fantastic cardio workout that will get your heart pumping and help you burn those extra calories. And don't forget to take some time for yourself each day. Meditation is a great way to clear your mind and reduce stress, which can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. And there you have it, folks. Our proven meal plan for faster weight loss. So, what are you waiting for? Get in that kitchen and start cooking. And don't forget to incorporate some physical activity and self-care into your daily routine. And remember, losing weight doesn't have to be boring or difficult. With a little bit of creativity and some healthy ingredients, you can enjoy delicious meals while also shedding those extra pounds. Thanks for tuning in, foodies. We hope you enjoyed our video and learned something new. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on healthy living. Until next time, happy cooking!